Morning, everybody. It's 8:45 on Tuesday, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1417 for this Tuesday morning. Okay, Asia and Europe both slightly lower. Today is a slightly across the board. Um, the stock futures, the highest that I've seen in the Dow, up about 42, currently down about 12 right now. S&P is down about $1, and the Nasdaq also is down a couple of cents. Okay, earnings. Medtronic, a beat, 94.06, up 97, so not much. Macy's a beat, 19, up 39, and the volatility there, it's up 2.1% on these earnings. Not really much of a big deal. From last night, we have Palo Alto Networks and Zim going in opposite directions. Palo Alto beat when I did last night's commentary. We were up about 36. Now we're up 50. 558 and a half, up 50.40, 9.2%, and Zoom going the other way with a miss, 86.38, down 11.06, or 11.3%, and that is Palo Alto's a little better than last night. Zoom is a little worse. Dick's Sporting Goods with a beat, 111.29, up 92, or 0.83. And ARI, AERI, being taken over by Alcon, 15 and a quarter. The stock is 15.11, up 396, or 35%. And a little one that has had some pretty impressive moves in both directions. Blue Apron, APRN, and the play here, and this is just speculation on my part, but I think that the play here is it's so much more convenient, and with pricing in groceries moved up, Blue Apron is kind of a standoff, really, from the convenience point of view. And secondarily, if companies which are now requesting or even demanding that employees come back to the office, again, more convenience, easier to deal with. Come home from the office, everything's sitting there, you just have to put it together. So Blue Apron has gone from 287, which is the recent low just this month, up to 685, back to 4.75, and that 4.75 was up 26%. Then we've had yesterday's close of 614 again, and this morning it's 723, and that's up another 18%. So this one may be coming back a bit. Again, if you'll recall, at its peak, which was December of 21, the stock was $13. The actual all-time peak was 28.84. So, I'm not saying that we're moving back there, but from the standpoint of what this makes some degree of sense, it's interesting. Also, the stock has an adjusted all-time high of 145, $145, but that includes a 1-for-15 reverse split that took place in the summer of 2019. Okay, chart on the screen is the oil, and it's really trying here after yesterday's news-related turnaround, where it closed down 8 cents after being down over $4. Today is a slightly higher high and a higher low, currently trading 91.44, up $1.08. For me, we have to close above this falling 20-day moving average, although the 5-day clearly is rolling back to the upside, as is the MACD. Uh, bit, let's just see. Nat gas again has touched 992. I think this is just backing and filling here, and I wouldn't be the least bit surprised to see this really blow right through $10 up to my target on it is in the neighborhood of $13 to $14. As you can see, uh, this is today. We made a slightly higher high than yesterday. We're trading on the low, which is basically unchanged, down a penny and a half. If we get anywhere near 905 in that area, I think I'll be a buyer of probably UNG or BOIL. It's also helping our little one, Tellurian, which has moved back up. It's only up a couple of cents today at 4.5, but this stock was kind of languishing uh, down in the $3 area. So 50% higher is pretty decent. Gold is down a little, silver is down a little, copper is up 3 cents. We're long both silver and copper, so that's probably pretty much a trade off. The cotton is down a little. Coffee is up a little, so not much going on there. The bonds are down 11/32, or roughly 3/8 of a dollar, and that's after yesterday's half a dollar move to the downside. The dollar is higher by about 9 cents again. It's 109. Really strong here. And Bitcoin, a little bit of a bounce up 355 after several days down in a row. Ethereum, same situation, although Ethereum was down about 4 times on a percentage basis what Bitcoin was. All right, everyone, be careful out there. And by the way, we have uh, new home sales numbers coming in at 10 o'clock, and we have the IHS manufacturing PMI at 9:45. Take it easy, everyone. Be careful.